What's up, YouTube? We are back with another vlog, guys. So we over here at McKenzie, picking up our next load. So just ride out, man. Enjoy the ride. Just vlog out with your boy, man. We vlogging, having a good time doing it. So I'm gonna hit y'all in a minute. I'll come back and see what your boy up to. Peace. That was confirmation, guys. Now, look at this. Okay, see this load? I don't like that. I kind of want two. I think I'm gonna wind up putting two straps on that. But look at it. Can y'all see it? Take a look at this load. This is it's a heavy load, guys. Oh man, look at that. Whee. So I'm gonna say this load is heavy as hell, guys. I'm gonna say this is overweight. So what y'all going? Y'all going underweight? All right, so I'm gonna put a couple of straps on these two just for keep my mind at peace, I guess. And this is overweight, guys. I'm gonna say it's overweight. Y'all guys saying it's not. So we'll come back in a minute. Peace. I don't think it's gonna be overweight, bruh. But it's too late now.
Are we getting scale time?
Oh man. Shit. As a matter of fact, we are.
I'm going to guess of 76.8.
I'm gonna guess below. Come on, 32. 74. Y'all won. Fuck. Good morning, guys. Man, it is cold as a bitch outside, man. Damn. It is April the 19th. 900 mile an hour fucking wind. It's cold as a bitch outside, bro. It say 27 degrees outside, but that's a lie. We are back at the yard, guys. Look at all them trailers, man. Yeah, man. We got a double going to Dickinson and everything, so it's still windy and gloomy, cold. All y'all enjoy y'all warm weather, man. We got 9-pole 7.2 trailer, which that don't look like I'm seeing. So is that it right there? We're about to find out, guys. That's my trailer from yesterday, is it? Nope, that's that is Aberdeen. That's Aberdeen. So back at McKenzie. Back at McKenzie. Look at the train. Y'all see that train? See it? I used to stare at the train, man, and when you stare at the train, something about it, man, you just get into a deep thought. I don't know if that ever happened or happens to anybody else, but that happens to me whenever I could just sit and stare at the train and just be in a deep thought. And then whatever was bothering me, I figure it out by the time that damn train is done. So, bam, where we at? Oh, we straight, bruh. Now I'm gonna bag up just a touch. Come on. Uh-oh, up. That's why I don't like. See, I have my hand, not my hand, but I normally have this whenever I'm making a nice turn. See, I like to have this armrest right here up. See, let's go check it out. Ooh, hopefully that wind don't blow my stuff away. Get this off. Bong, that's where I normally sit y'all at, right there. Alright. Y'all hear that wind? This gonna be my last load for the day. that. Make sure that that's down. Hook. These. That's windy. You don't want none of them coming out on you. Look at that. Boom. Tight. 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 Uh-oh. See if I can get him. Look at this. Shit. Alright. That's good. That's good. I'm gonna tighten him. One more time. Because it is very windy. Very windy, oh God. Alright, so now this right here, no idea what the fuck happened right there, but no idea. So go back over there and tighten up that one. The first two. Okay. See it flapping now? Boom. It's tight. Set this one for now. Alright guys, so we'll be right back, my fellow Americans. Almost perfect. I'm gonna let y'all know if I got it or not. I ain't gonna fake the funk like I did, like I got it on the first try. If I got it, I'm gonna tell you. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna take you off here with me, and you're gonna come back there with me. Alright? It's like when you backing up, you gotta listen and hear that pinnacle hit that that latch back there. So we're gonna take y'all off. Alright. Okay. Let's see if we got it. Oh, I got y'all in my hand. So just in case y'all watching this live backup. We gonna see. We gonna see, man. Uh-oh, look. I didn't put this up far enough, so let me lift that up. Hold on. Let me lift that up. Can y'all see? I'm gonna lift this up. Lift it up. Okay. Now we're going back into it again. So let me see. I'm gonna sit y'all right. Where can I sit y'all at that y'all can see? I'm gonna come right back. I ain't gonna lie. All right, y'all, so we just backed up a little bit. So y'all know I got y'all on my head. See? Second shot, see it? Bam. Now on this pinnacle, watch that latch right here, if y'all can see. Watch, boom, went down. See that? That's what I like. So we ain't lie to y'all, like a lot of YouTubers be selling y'all fallacies and shit. Not your boy, Jedi Zinski, baby. Oh no, look how fast that was. Fast work. Bam. No, fast work. Uh-oh, missed out. Fast work. Bam. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Look at that. Bam. Come on, baby, come on, baby. Let's get him up in that a little bit more, just a little tap. Ooh. Fast work. Let's see this one. We may have to spit on that one. Nope. Let's see. Got him. Close our valve. Let's see, let's see. Uh-oh. This is hard. Got him. Let's see. Let's see. Alright. I like it. Open that up. You don't open that valve up right there, you won't be moving it. Very good. Or stopping rather. How I know? Maybe it was just a trailer for me, but oh man. Lights ain't on, bruh. Hold up, bruh. Hold up, bruh. Let me see what's going on in here. Alright, let me get my knife. I don't like to touch my gloves. My knife with my gloves. So, let me see. What do we got going on in here? Let's open that up. Where's that? We need
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Oh shit, Daniel. Wait. Did y'all see that? God dang. Did y'all see that, Daniel? We ain't gonna fuck with it. Fuck it. These goddamn things don't come on. Put that down some. There it is. It's this one that's giving me problem. Alright, so I'm gonna go fix that. Give me a second. Be right back, guys. Halloween. Y'all can't hear me anyway. Man, YouTube, why y'all ain't? Man, did y'all see them sparks? Holy shit! Don't do that, guys. See, you live and you learn. So, you know that's a shortcoming. What not to do, so damn. I'm gonna hit y'all back, baby. Say, YouTube, I'm gonna bring this video to a close. Appreciate everybody. I got to go. So, peace.